Sparky Sparks here. I am wearing a new piece that I received from WigShe, and their site is wigshe.com. This is 100% Remy Human hair. It's in 12 inches and it's a reddish brown. I love it. You know, with human hair, you can style it and you can add heat to it, so that's not a problem. Now, my hair journey started about 2 years ago. I started wearing hair or alternative hair just for fashion and just for fun, just to be, you know, different. And I always mix it up. I never wear the same color style day to day. I like to mix it up. So I was born with very fine, thin hair, like my mom's, and it just was something I dealt with. I had perms, I tried rollers, I tried sleeping in curls, and I grew up in the 80s. I was in high school in the 80s. So this, you know, it was big hair. So that I didn't have, and I always wanted. So once I embraced wearing wigs full time, which was last year, so it's just been a year, short time, I feel so confident and beautiful and put together, and I like to say on point. And why not? It is a steep learning curve, I won't lie. You know, you get comments and everybody has an opinion from your friends and your family. And sometimes those are the harshest ones to deal with. But through time, people embrace the fact that this makes me feel really happy and really on point and put together. So I hope that's helpful. If you are just beginning your wig journey, know that there's a strong network of women like me embracing wigs and really making wearing wigs acceptable for everybody all the time. You don't have to be ill. You don't have to be struggling with anything. It's your choice. If you want to wear hair, whether you have hair or you don't have hair, that's your choice. You're beautiful no matter what, and it's all about what makes you feel good. And hair makes me feel like $1,000,000. So I hope that's helpful. Have a great day and make it the best ever.